What's up, everybody? 1963 Buick Electra 225. Now, this just isn't any ordinary Buick Electra 225. This Buick was the embassy car for the Japanese over in Colombia. This has resided at the embassy for the longest time. And when I tell you that this is in exceptional condition, it is really amazing how awesome this car is. Again, one of those cars that I'm not that familiar with, but just immediately I like it. It's big, it's so roomy, it's so luxurious. You can see that it was the top of the line back in the day. Still has the siren, the Tokyo siren in there for the embassy. Super cool. All of the tags still reside on the car from Colombia. It's a very nice, very well kept, very maintained car. You know, I try to find really unique stuff, and this is no exception. I mean, this is just such a cool car. Has some really cool history to it. So check it out at theclassiccarcollective.com.